Hello everyone, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to delete X's Twitter account permanently. Open the X or Twitter application. Tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Select Settings and Support from the menu. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Choose your account, then tap on Deactivate Account. To proceed with deleting your account, you need to deactivate it first. Your profile and all your associated information will be hidden, making it inaccessible to others. If you change your mind, you can restore your account by simply logging in within 30 days. After deactivating, to permanently delete your account, refrain from logging back in for the next 30 days. After this period, your account will be permanently deleted, and recovery will no longer be possible. If you are sure you want to delete your account, click on the Deactivate button, enter your password, and confirm. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.